Hey Fantastic Finders, welcome to another fantastic video. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Are you feeling the love? I know I am. But you know me, I'm all about spreading the love without breaking the bank. You don't need a lot of money to show someone you care. It really is the thought that counts. That's why I'm so excited to share some DIY Valentine's Day gift ideas that come straight from the heart. These aren't just your average crafts, folks. We're talking about thoughtful, personalized gifts that are way more meaningful than anything you could buy in a store. Plus, crafting these gifts can be a fun and relaxing activity. You can put on some music, pour yourself a glass of something bubbly, and let your creative juices flow. So whether you're looking for a gift for your sweetheart, your best friend, or your favorite neighbor, I've got you covered. Let's get crafty. First up, let's talk about a classic Valentine's Day gift, the handmade card. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, a card? Really? But trust me on this one. A handmade card is so much more than just a piece of paper. It's a blank canvas for you to pour your heart out. Think about it. When you hand someone a store-bought card, what are you really giving them? A generic message and a hefty price tag. But when you take the time to make a card yourself, you're giving them something truly unique and special. Something that says, hey, I care enough about you to spend my precious time creating something just for you. Get those creative juices flowing. Break out the construction paper, glitter, googly eyes, whatever you have on hand. You can even add a touch of humor. I mean, who doesn't love a good laugh on Valentine's Day? Remember, it's all about expressing yourself and making the recipient feel loved. Next up, we're diving into the world of personalized photo albums. I love flipping through old photo albums. It's like taking a trip down memory lane. And let's be real, who needs social media when you have a tangible collection of your favorite memories? Now, the key here is to make it personal. Don't just throw a bunch of random photos into an album and call it a day. Choose photos that hold special meaning for you and the person you're giving it to. Think inside jokes, unforgettable trips, that time you both tried to cut each other's hair. You know, the good stuff. And don't forget to add captions. A funny anecdote or a heartfelt message next to each photo can really make the album extra special. Trust me, this is a gift that will be cherished for years to come. It's like they say, a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a personalized photo album, that's worth 1,000,000. Let's face it, everyone loves a good scented candle. They can instantly transform a room into a relaxing oasis. But store-bought candles? They can get pricey. Plus, they don't always have that personal touch. So why not make your own? Making candles is easier than you might think. And the best part? You can customize the scent to create something truly unique and meaningful. Think about a scent that reminds you of the person you're making it for. Maybe it's the smell of their favorite flower, a delicious dessert, or even the ocean breeze from a memorable trip. Get creative with your containers too. You can use vintage teacups, mason jars, or even hollowed-out fruits for a fun and quirky touch. Just remember to handle hot wax with care and always follow safety instructions. You know what they say? The way to someone's heart is through their stomach. And what better way to show your love than with a homemade treat? Now, I'm not talking about just any old snack. I'm talking about those melt-in-your-mouth cookies, those decadent brownies, those treats that make you go, you made these yourself? Yeah, those are the ones. And the best part? Baking is a love language all on its own. It's therapeutic, it's fun, and it's a great way to show someone you care. Plus, you can customize your treats with festive sprinkles, frosting, or even a sweet message written in icing. Just imagine the look on their face when they bite into a treat made with love. Last but not least, let's talk about a gift that keeps on giving, DIY love coupons. These are a fun and creative way to show your loved one how much you care, and they can be tailored to their specific likes and needs. Think about what your loved one would truly appreciate. Maybe it's breakfast in bed, a relaxing back massage. I give a mean back massage. Or a night off from doing the dishes. The possibilities are endless. Get creative with your coupon design. You can use colorful paper, markers, stickers, or even print out templates online. The most important thing is to put your heart into it and make it personal. Remember, it's all about making your loved one feel special and appreciated. So there you have it, folks. 5 DIY Valentine's Day gift ideas that are sure to impress. Remember, it's not about how much money you spend, but the thought and effort you put into it. A handmade gift, crafted with love, is far more valuable than anything you could buy in a store. I hope these ideas have inspired you to get a little creative this Valentine's Day. And remember, you don't need to be a crafting expert to make something special. Just have fun with it and let your heart be your guide. From the bottom of my heart, happy Valentine's Day. Now go out there and spread the love. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fantastic Finds for more exciting videos like this.